Morning. This is Arnie Waters here at Waters Capital. Obviously, when banks are printing money, and there are even more banks going to print money, and our friend, the Reichskanzler Angela Merkel, is holding firm to no Eurozone bonds, no special German guarantees, gold's going to go up. It's been noted on the big website Kitco that 1800 is the next big resistance level. We concur with that viewpoint, but we also expect that more things are going to fall apart about the euro situation. In particular, we feel there will be more awareness that the euro situation doesn't get better just because you print money. It doesn't solve the growth problem. In the United States, as we keep reminding our friends, relax. We're on the right track. And it's going to take a long time. If we take the perspective, we're on the right track. If we take the perspective that it's going to take a long time for our situation to be rosy, at least we have a prospect of our situation being rosy. That's not what they have going on in Europe and the rest of the world, except maybe Brazil. Secondly, and we hate to be the bearer of bad news to our Republican friends, President Obama is an absolute cinch for re-election. This is so for several reasons. First of all, he's stopped making mistakes. Secondly, he will have a war chest unheard of in the history of the world for an election. I'm sure he'll have well in excess of $1 billion to spend. That will dwarf the amounts of money the Republicans can spend. Lastly, who will be the Republican candidate? The obvious man who gives Barack Obama the toughest time is Mitt Romney. It seems once again that the Republicans are not going to nominate Mitt Romney. The combination of racism and classism and anti-religious bias that abounds openly in the Republican Party hurts Mitt Romney. Doesn't matter how frequently he tries to get in contact with these people. A lot of them don't accept his Mormon religion. A lot of them don't like the fact, a lot of the activists don't like the fact that he's another elite, Eastern elite rich guy. And as a consequence, that combination of factors means he doesn't get the nomination again. And what will happen? Whoever runs against Obama is going to be savaged, and it's starting already. So I don't see any way Obama loses the next campaign. And so we might as well accept the fact that Obama's going to be in office and make your plans accordingly, unless you're in possession of material facts that I'm not. I must say that in a way, I'm glad that no big European bank failed. In another way, it saddens me that once again, we're being asked to rescue people who've been completely irresponsible, and they continue to be irresponsible in the southern tier of Euro countries. If I was a Norwegian or a Dane or a Swede or a German, I would be tear-ass if I paid any attention to this situation at all. I was reading a story, I think, in the Financial Times about how nice things are in Germany right now. That the problem in Germany is starting to be a little bit of a credit crunch, but the business is going quite swimmingly for most people in Germany as their unemployment rate remains stable. Remember, the Germans, and to an extent the French, though less so in France, are motivated by remembering the crates of Deutschmarks being needed to buy a loaf of bread. So with the fear of runaway inflation impinging and impinging upon the German desire to resolve this situation, I see no easy solution to this problem. So remember, Obama is going to get reelected. Gold is going to continue to go up. That's aiming for the ice flows, not the open water. Have a super weekend. Thank you.